Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have something new, which is which Marvel character are you? So let's get into this project right away. Here we are. This is the presentation and I'll be taking you through the presentation. If we load in a second, here we go. So which Avenger are you? Moving on to the next slide is the table of contents. For introduction, I will give you an introduction to the project. Then I will explain the algorithm. Then I will also explain how the result is determined and then the future directions of this project. So here is the introduction. The Avengers quiz matches users with iconic Marvel characters based on personality-based questions, revealing their closest superhero match. The algorithm, the scoring mechanism, is each user response corresponds to a predefined score range for each Avenger. The score translation, user responses are translated into scores by mapping their choices to the corresponding score range for each trait, and the cumulative score calculation is the cumulative scores for each Avenger are calculated by summing up the scores across all user responses traits. And then for determining the result is the score comparison. So the total score for each Avenger is calculated by summing up the scores across all traits. Then for the process, by analyzing and accumulating the scores, the algorithm identifies the Avenger's character with the highest total score. And for the reasoning, the chosen Avenger character is not arbitrary. It's based on a detailed analysis for the user's responses. Moving on to the next slide is the conclusion. So for future, it can be incorporated for more Marvel characters and diverse personality questions to enhance the accuracy and engagement. And for another thing that can be done to this project is to introduce interactive features like user feedback and dynamic scoring algorithms for continual improvement and user satisfaction. We can also put some background music to this project to make it more interesting. And so thank you for going through the presentation with me, and now I will just show you the code. So here we are. This is the code. So first I have used Streamlit for the graphical user interface. I've given the questions here. I've given the options to the multiple choice questions here. Then I've given the broader score ranges here. I've given the explanations or the reasonings here. Then I've given the function to calculate the Avenger character based on the user's answers here. I've given the Streamlit app as to opening the window and for the whole thing to work smoothly. I've calculated the Avenger character, displayed the result, and yeah, so that's my project, what it's about. It's a fun project. It doesn't use a lot of anything related to models or deep learning. So here is the project that I've made, and let's test it out. So maybe we can go with invisibility first and then bows and arrows or guns. Guns, let's go with guns. Mysterious, adapt and improvise. My favorite color. It's a mix, maybe blue actually. And actually no preference. Gaming. Analyze pros and cons. Yeah, I want a jet and work as a team. Okay, so I got Thor. Okay, because I possess great strength, courage, and strong sense of duty. Pretty accurate, not that inaccurate, I would say. So this is the project, and I have also given the link under my video of the GitHub where you can find this project and you can also run it in your computer. And I hope you found this video good, you enjoyed the video, and if you did, just like and subscribe, and I hope to catch you in my new video. So thank you everyone and have a great day ahead.